Welcome. To solve this question, x raised to power 3 minus 3x raised to power 2 minus x plus 3 equals 0. Now, we have x raised to power 3, this is power of 3 and this power of 2. So it means this power of 2 can be factorized out from this power of 3. So let's factorize x raised to power 2 out of this. So we have x raised to power 2 into x minus 3. It left this, so let's factorize out 1 minus 1. We have minus 1 into x minus 3 equals 0. Now we now have common factor here, x minus 3, x minus 3. It means this is the factorization method. So we have x minus 3 into this is x raised to power 2 minus 1 equals 0. Now it implies that x minus 3 equals 0, or x raised to power 2 minus 1 equals 0. This now will become x equals 3. And for this, we have x raised to power 2 minus 1 can be expressed as 1 raised to power 2 equals 0. Remember the law that says if you have a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2 is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b. This law of difference of 2 square. So we have, for this one, we have x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 0. Now, this also implies that x minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. Now, x will be equal to 1 here, and x will be equal to minus 1 here. Another method for this is that when we have x raised to power 2 minus 1 equals 0, you can say x raised to power 2 equals 1 by collecting this to the right hand side. So let's introduce square roots. We have x equals to plus or minus square root of 1, which is equal to plus or minus 1. So the values of x for this equation are x equals 3, 1, and minus 1. Thank you for watching.